We just closed on the sale of your house. How did everything go?
Everything was perfect. I couldn't have asked for a better experience.
Great. So initially, you actually tried selling with a local investor that turned out to be a wholesaler.
Right.
How did that go?
That was the most horrific experience I've ever had. Nothing like it.
Oh my. What made you decide to work with Bounds Realty Group?
Well, because Chris Bounds is so sweet. And we've had such a good relationship, and the professionalism. You actually listened to my situation, what I needed, what I wanted, what needed to happen, and you did the endurance with me. You never left me.
Oh, thank you. And would you recommend Bounds Realty Group to others?
I definitely will. I would never use another real estate company ever in my life.
Thank you. All right, congratulations.
Thank you.